A very good morning to all my lovely students. I hope you are doing good. Students, as you know that in history we were doing chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter was Weavers, Iron Smelters and the Craft Person. Till now we have discussed about the town, the craft material, what was all about the craft person and what were their problems, how they were giving their best, what was the scenario about the cotton textile. But today, as according to your chapter, you will get one heading about iron smelting. The Tisco Company, Tisco, Tisco. Let us discuss about the iron smelting, how the iron ore, the factory in Jamshedpur. This is all about today's topic. Let us discuss in detail. I'll tell you a story that how the factories were built in Jamshedpur. So children, what happened? In 1904, Charles Ward, an American geologist, he was an American geologist, along with Dorabhai Tata, they were traveling through Chhattisgarh in search of iron ore deposit. They traveled at many places, day and night they were traveling, but they were not getting it. They went for many days here and there. While traveling one day, what happened? They saw some women, they were carrying the basket iron, and as soon as they saw, they asked that from where they are getting it. So they told that there is a hill here, and they went to that hill and there was the iron deposit there, iron ore. They were happy, but to set up a factory we need water, and that was a very dry place. There was no water. So this was a problem to set a factory there. Later on, with more search and with more research, they came across a town, a place which was having so much of iron ore, and one river was also flowing at the bank, and the name of the river was Subranarkha. Due to this river, water was available, and to produce iron, to set up a factory, it was very easy. So that place was cleared, the trees were cut, the setup for the factory was perfect. They set a factory, and that town is known as Jamshedpur. At present, it is in Jharkhand. I have been to Jamshedpur quite a few times. I think few of you must have visited. If not, if you get a chance, do visit there. There you will see the Tata Iron Steel and Company. There is a big campus near that. The people working, they are getting houses also there, and all the facilities is there. You must visit it. So in 1912, the first company to produce steel was TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company. Please remember the full form. So this was all about the iron smelting in the past. So student, with this topic we come to the end of the chapter. So please go through the chapter once more, each and every topic. For points, for summary, go through the worksheets. All the worksheets have been provided to you. You have joined the live classes. For this topic, please do join the live class, and for revising it, you can go through the worksheets, you can go through the videos again, and if any doubt, do contact me. For the next chapter, we will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you and take care.